Welcome to the vlog. Do you know where we're going?
I don't know.
Giovanni, how many times did we tell you this? Where are we going? To
Dunkers.
close. Waterdrinkers.
No, water.
And what do they have there? Do you remember what we said?
What?
What do they have there?
I don't know.
What are we gonna see?
I don't know.
Animals.
Animals.
And what else? Morning, everybody.
Fish.
Don't think fish. They have a jumping pad that you're gonna jump on.
What was that truck?
Yeah.
I
Squirrel.
always see trucks.
What else they have, Daddy?
I don't remember what else they had.
They have sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Ooh, exciting.
What is sunflower?
You'll find out. Say, see
Getting off
ya,
here.
Waterdrinkers.
Be there
No.
in 2 minutes.
See cars.
Waterdrinkers.
No cars.
Oh,
We're here at Waterdrinkers.
drinkers.
Drinkers. You ready to see some animals? Huh?
Animal.
We got food over there. We'll have some lunch later. Ariana. I think those straps are a little big. I think they're a little big. Good. Oh, I see ponies over there. Look at those ponies. This way. We got miniature donkeys. Oh. Do you see the donkeys?
Why are they carrying?
They're in there so they don't get out. We don't want them to run away, right? Come over here. Here it comes. Look at that. Whoa. Hello, Mr. Donkey. Ooh, big nose. Whoa. That's a big nose. Holy moly. I hope he doesn't sneeze. Yeah, kind of.
He likes us?
He's smelling. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, mister? Ooh, look at him eat the grass. Look at him. Look at his teeth.
What are you doing, Jay?
He's eating the grass.
Yeah, what if you go like this? Oh, he got it. Here, look, Gia. I like the grass.
They're dumb.
Watch. See? Eating the grass.
What down's over there?
This one's got spots on it. Hello. Whoa, big nose. It looks like a Dalmatian.
Dirty.
Oh, what the heck is he doing?
Look at that crazy pig. Oh, why do you have a tear? What's the piggy doing? Wink, wink.
Pearl, Lucky, Banks, and Jin. That's their names. They got alpacas and a goat. See them? Can I pick you up? Isn't
Alpacas?
that what Tommy likes?
Oh, that's water.
Llamas?
Oh, there are llamas.
Huh?
Oh, there are llamas.
The llamas?
Oh,
Those are not llamas, they're alpacas. A little different.
which one are
Betty and Veronica.
Which one's Betty?
Betty has the
White and brown.
white and brown.
I see their name.
Tater,
Here.
Cream Puff, Milky Way, and Snickers. And they're all back there. There you go. You can do the same thing as before. Grab onto the rope. And then just like in swim, remember? Just like in swim. Go across. Yeah. Oh. You doing it by yourself now? You need my help?
You are doing
I taught you? I learned him. Did you hear that? Cute.
Where do you go now?
Yeah. Doing good, yep. There you go. Nice. Whoa. Big boy. Okay. Up on the side. And you shimmy over. There you go. Slide over. Okay. Probably a little scared.
They get wide and blue. Go. Can I try that? Can I try that? Literally.
Now it's getting lower. Do you want to try to walk down by yourself? No?
Try the other side.
You're not, so you want to do it by yourself? Woo!
I do it
Nice. Again?
All right, Gio. Tell the people, what are we doing?
We're brushing teeth. I'm showing you all my bedtime.
All your bedtime stuff, all your bedtime routine?
Yeah.
Show them, what do you do first?
Brush, keep in my cool, and on and off. Toothpaste.
Show them how you brush your teeth.
And Daddy always works out.
Daddy's dancing. He's doing Zumba. And Ariana's sleeping. Ah, there we go. There she is. Alright, show them how you spit.
How we wash the hands.
No, soap in your hand.
Oh, no, no, yeah.
Daddy's done dancing.
What you doing?
We're filming Gio's bedtime routine.
Ooh, so what are you up to?
Does
What
brush
is-
teeth.
You brush your teeth already? Oh, okay. And what else? What are you up to now? Did you wash your hands with soap?
Yeah.
Did you wash your face?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do next?
And then say hi to daddy.
Well, hi. And then what do you do?
And then go sweep. Read books. Say hi and seek. Wash hands.
Go pee-pee.
No, that's not my room.
How many books do we read at bedtime, Jay?
So no, we read great.
No, you read 2.
Oh, we read 2.
Go ahead. What 2 books are we going to read for bedtime?
Oh, ooh, what is this? And this is my new one. Well, when I was holding it.
Dylan's Amazing Dinosaurs.
You want to show them to them? Baker.
Dawn. This huge flying reptile lived close to the coast. We finished that page.
And where's the bones? See a bone?
Oh, I see the bones. Very cool. The Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex roamed the planet during the late Cretaceous period, 65 million years ago, in what is now the continent of North America.
Right?
Yeah. T-Rex was one of the largest and fiercest dinosaurs that ever lived. It could grow to a length of 40 feet and a height of 20 feet.
Say this is my favorite. A T-Rex. There's one bone and there's 2 bones. 2 bones. That is reading the books. Good night.
Okay. All right, lay down. I'll go get Daddy. Good night.
Go get them.
I love you.
And Daddy's going to tuck me in.
Okay, I love you.
Daddy's going to tuck me in. Daddy's going to tuck me in.
I love you.
Love you.